Naveen has to offer for. I'm sorry, what DK has to offer for Hyderabad. Hyderabad, of course. And
Wait kar raha hu, the silence to be broken.
yeah, I would definitely, as we can see, it might happen right now. Ronaldo is in. He goes for the
It's a
chip.
chip.
Oh, the
wow.
audacity from DK, and a little bit of a shock and double-edged sword because it lets you keep control as he has done here with Eusebio. Has to be a goal. Beautifully worked. Beautifully worked. And just DK and yet again pressure from CFC now. Quite relentless. And there is the goal. Oh my goodness, he's missed it. Put it wide.
Story, we've got Naveen building up another attack.
And yeah, moving left and right. This is so hard to defend against. And it's a beautiful finish. Beautiful finish there from Naveen.
Trying to score one, and they possibly can.
Oh yes, he's made the opening. Think second guess. Oh, that's beautiful. That is beautifully worked. Is he onside? He is. I felt that maybe he was second guessing himself a little bit, but clearly he knew exactly what he was doing. Found Mbappe, but he's got it back. It's going to be a 2-all draw. I'm quite certain. And high pressure there. Little caught sleeping there. And what's Saranch going to do? This is where he's the most dangerous with Pele into the box, and it is unfortunate for Adezima. He was using that player lock to curve the run in behind, going for the finish shot off the crossbar and cleared away.
Today, we're not seeing those shots being hit.
Oh, hang on. Oh dear. Oh no. It's gone from almost glory to tears, which is why he's got more width. Can he get the shot away? Yes!
Beautiful.
He has got the shot in. Beautifully worked. Great close control. Nothing Saranch could do about that. And now a ray of hope for Adezima as Ronaldo stares into the camera thoughtfully, thinking as well. Garincha in for Mbappe. So clearly going for... Oh, hang on. Adezima is in here. And he's almost put it wide.
No.
And Eusebio on the ball now. Let's see what he can do.
Oh, that's a really good one.
Got Cruyff at the back post and Ronaldo. Saranch is going to finish this off here. Oh, he doesn't. And yeah, Saranch being very pragmatic. Oh no, he's not going for the corner. He fooled him. Sold him a dummy over there entirely. But time is up, unfortunately. What an insane last few minutes. And you really have to feel for Adezima. And there we see Pele in over there in a 2v1. And yes.
The power. Hyderabad, they're creating chances.
Yeah, Hyderabad FC is in and Mbappe loves
wow.
My days, look at that. The beautiful turn in, turn out, an absolute screamer there. And that's very, very important coordination as we see Ronaldo with the shot, with the goal. Beautiful. And again, that coordination, that simple passing that Hyderabad FC are doing, Chennai FC don't seem to have an answer. We don't see it on camera, but maybe these guys are... Oh, as we see Ronaldo gets through and a great save by Schmeichel. Where is his teammate going to place himself? There he does, and he's waiting for the cutback. Has to be 3-0. And it is the coordination between the Hyderabad FC boys is absolutely on fire. They are totally bossing this game. Goal difference could also be impacted quite a lot because goal difference is one of our tiebreaker criteria, and straight away Saranch, the second half player, gets it going. I'm not sure if it's Saranch or Naveen, but
Tilato, you never know, it might be 4-3.
Get a little bit of control and not constantly be on the back foot and being reactive. As we see another goal, 3-2. The comeback is real, my friends. The comeback is looking real as it is Ronaldo Nazario shaking the camera, saying, "Bhai, well defended. They have to get their defense right." Ronaldo twisting, turning, getting the goal in, and that is so unfortunate for the Hyderabad FC boys. They have one attack left, and let's see if they can make it happen.
Oh, there you have it. There you have it.